Hi, this is Coach Ken from the Superbike-Coach Corporation, and I want to show you how to wash your bike with a minimum of equipment and really not a big deal. So, this here is my 2019 Ducati Multistrada Enduro Pro. She's covered with brake dust and lots of bugs. You can't see that actually on the video, but it's time for a wash, and yeah, let's do this. Really doesn't take much. You need a bucket of hot water with a decent sponge where you can reach those teeny tiny spots, especially in wheels, rims like this. And I just got me a water hose, which is flexible. That helps actually a lot more than you might think. So stubborn hoses are really a pain in the butt. This here is really cool. Then you also, I also want to show you here a BikeMaster blower, which helps a lot drying the damn thing. Saves you lots and lots of time. So let's get to it. First I want to remove that windshield here so I can wash her behind the ears, and then I'm gonna soak her with water. I used to start with the wheels because that's the dirty job, right? And always happy to be done with that part. So, bike is clean now, so far. All is washed. And now it's time to dry it up quickly because you don't want to have these drops turn dry and leaving stains. I guess you know those. Hard to remove, especially around the engine. Once the engine runs hot, they're done. They're in there. And you don't want to get that, you want to let that happen. So, let's get them off. So, this here is that BikeMaster blower I was talking about. This thing is hella strong. Unfortunately, you can't see that on that video, but let's see how it turns out. This is going away right away. Of course, this starts from up here. Water runs down, of course. So should have done that. So, the entire drying procedure took me now about 15 minutes. That take a little longer because I also want to blow all those holes, those screws out, because that avoids me running after the water, which comes out later, right? So the darn thing is now really clean. Yeah. So, since the bike is clean as baby's new butt, we should also take care of some things, which is checking the oil. As you see, I gotta top it off a little, checking the chain slack and stuff like that. But I also want to finally remove those ugly stickers. And what can be easier to use as mom's pink hair dryer. And gone. Good girl. Yeah, just noticed there's another one which is not right anyway, because I'm using M-Soil only, so going away. Yeah, that one didn't come as easy off as the others, though I have some rest of the stickers staying there. That goes easy way with WD-40. So just soak that in a little, let that sit for a while, and then wipe it off with patience. There you have it. There you go. WD-40 is actually also a good idea to clean rims and engine, everything which is black, or actually it doesn't matter what color it is, but it doesn't remove grease very easily. It also leaves a nice film, a nice protection on it, which makes the next cleanup way easier. So go ahead, you will be surprised what WD-40 can do for you. So I'm checking my job right now, and it's all good so far, but discovered that I didn't do that good of a job. So, but this is something for next time, with a little brush and some WD-40, and the grease is all gone. Other than that, I really hope you enjoyed this little video, and there's something for you you could pick up. I definitely don't want to show you how to use a sponge, you know, but you can make it easy job. You know, it's not all the time about drama and expensive products. I mean, hot bucket of water and some dishwashing lotion, soap, or whatever, however you call it, does the job. You know, and even the detailer, it doesn't have to be expensive one. The others are good too, you know. So take it easy.